In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save here in Canva. Now, when you're actually designing here in Canva and you've got a design that you want to save, Canva is automatically going to save this. Now, if we look up here, we can see this little tick mark or this little cloud icon with the tick. Now, anytime you move something, so let's go ahead and delete these and let's make this bigger. If we look at that little tick up here, that means it's saved. Now, if for some reason this hasn't saved, we can easily come up to File just here and click Save. Again, if we look to it, it says all changes are saved. Now, if we want to actually download this and save this to our device, all that we have to do is come up to Share, come down to Download, and then click where it says PNG. Because now we have all of these different options that we can save to our device with JPEG, PNG, PDF, Standard, PDF Print, SVG, which is actually a Canva Pro feature, MP4 and GIF as well. If you choose one of these, then just click Download, like so. It's then going to save to your device. But that's everything that you need to know about saving here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.